Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get the best Roblox Rivals Crosshair settings. This tutorial will be quick, just make sure to subscribe and also leave a like if you will find this guide useful. So open up your Crosshair settings right there on Crosshair. Make sure that the static is enabled and rotation is set to 0. Now scroll down until you see bar's color. You want to make sure to make it very bright, so make sure to do this like a maybe red color or basically whatever you like. I would maybe choose like pink or red, so I would see it better. Now bar spacing should be around 3, and then bar length to 7. Bar thickness should be around 3. And then bar shape, you want to make it not round but sharp. Now scroll down a little bit until you will see outline, so make sure it is enabled. And now you want to go back to your settings on general and go to the camera settings. So you want to do field of view, FOV, around 115. Or maybe to the maximum even, and then camera zoom. I would just turn camera zoom to 0, so it wouldn't affect the aiming, and that's pretty much it about these settings. Now you can go ahead and check them, and if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.